Bombai House by TIM ARQUITECTOS in Canning, Argentina. Casa Bombai is a rationalist project where concrete plays a transcendental role, not only visually, but also as a way to execute sophisticated geometries that allow the house to be delimited and expanded in its surroundings. The cantilever partitions give rise to this dichotomy present throughout the entire façade. Access to the house is designed to start from the moment the user gets out of the car. As you walk up to the house, you are greeted by a water mirror on the left and, on the right, by an exposed concrete partition that hangs 8.5 feet, framing the entrance door. The entire program is developed on a single floor. Upon entering, the user finds a large social space where the living room, dining room, and kitchen, fully integrated, expand to a gallery with a grill. The private area of the house has 2 bedrooms, their bathrooms, and a 3rd bedroom/study room which, if required, can be accessed from the street. The arrangement of its windows, and large glazed surfaces, allow the entry of natural light during sunny hours and, in turn, allow natural cross-ventilation. Plinth lighting, sits flush with the floor, manages to spread sunlight in a natural and homogeneous way and constitutes the distinctive constructive detail of the house.